Monjang da. Longatik.com deng nya deng. Keting deng nya deng. We are here for you guys, so come out. Right, Mania?
Yeah, come on out, you guys. We're waiting for you.
You gotta talk in Dinka today.
Okay, Lloyd D family, come on out.
You gotta talk loud, you know? So not Lloyd D family.
Okay, what do you
This
want?
is not only family.
Okay, Lloyd
Okay.
D family, friends, everybody, come on out.
Look at most of the mob is right there.
Come join us, you guys.
You see who is that? Naya.
Oh, Naya, I love you.
Nyambol ma John Wall in chung mot. Comedian deng nya deng ke we monjang da tueng ko monjang da chen. Deng mai chen in. Look at Mary da. She showed.
Mary, come on. I'm waiting for you to come back.
She showed up in my show today because you.
Come on, Mary. I need you to come back. That's my girl. I love you, Mary. Come back.
Okay. Keep talking, Jazz.
What do you want me to say? Huh?
Not yet.
Okay.
My dear, Chamo the Pungichir. Look, they're calling you sweetheart. What about me?
You're not
You
that
see that?
sweet. Look,
That was
you're
wrong
not
with
that
the
sweet,
woman.
Dominic.
Now they what?
You're not that sweet.
I run this show.
Dominic.
Huh?
Okay. All my ladies out there, men are not that sweet. They just play. I swear, all these men just play like they're sweet, but they're not that sweet. Dominic, you're sweet.
That's why I've been holding you for a show for a long time. You guys see that?
What? No, Dominic, look. Do you want to know why you're sweet?
Akoma tuang ini chatting my body. How you doing? Jataka.
No, let me finish.
Let
Let me finish. Look, every man is sweet because of a woman. I put sugar in your tea, right? I put sugar in your life, right?
Uh-huh.
So who makes it sweet?
You sweet.
Okay, thank you.
That why
Ladies, please tell him.
That's why I call you Captain Jataka.
Yeah, thank you.
And I call her Captain Jataka. You know, but you know. That's the problem right there. Oh, your mom in a show.
Mama, have my back. Have my back, Mama.
Jessica, mom in a show.
Mama.
Hey, mom, we're going to talk in Dinka. I don't think you're going to understand anything. Every lot of things I teach Jessica, she's going to talk to it today in Dinka.
Mom, I know enough. Look, I know Lloyd D. means I love you so much, right?
I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
Is that mean I love you so much?
You mean you ought to pay? I love you so much.
Okay.
Right.
Uh-huh.
No, Lloyd D, how are you, right?
Yes.
You be my translator?
No, not now.
Come on.
Because people are watching us. If I'm going to come and translate to you while we're in a show, that means...
I don't know shit.
I don't know. Man, I can't believe this. So, anyway, my people, you know, we're Monjang ta tuen ko Monjang ta chen. I know she listen anyway. So whenever I speak Dinka, Jessica understand. But I want to ask her right now. She always bug me that she want to come to show. And I always worry why she want to come to the show, you know. And Jessica, if you can come and tell all Jiang what you learned from all this time or what you want to say before I process my show in Dinka.
Okay. Yeah, look at me, baby. Look at me.
Look here. These are
No,
people that want.
You have to look at me. This is between you and me. This is not something I have to say. This is something I have to sing.
Sing it loud so that they can hear. Start it again.
Benga number met Madurachal, I will Madurachal run along by.
Stop right there. Stop right there.
Hey, look,
You
you
know-
scared?
No,
You didn't think I was gonna learn it?
no. I don't know. Maybe she got some ladies that they be calling her and teach her their song. You got the reason. The reason I give her that song, I know she was not gonna sing it because, I'm the guy always be home, take care for the kid. She works second shift, right? And it's not that easy for me as I'm a man. Okay, I'm gonna claim myself now to be a Sudanese man. You guys know how Sudanese men act, So now, I'm gonna mix it with Dinka. So if I'm always with the kid, yes, I have to make sure that, Jessica, she's the best woman, and she give me 5 beautiful kids, okay? And we are, baby, we broke. We can't afford another kid. We are broke, and, my mind is already blown out. And that's the reason you always see me entertaining these young people. It's not because, it's got something that I entertain myself. That's why. It's not because of you guys, because I don't want to go crazy by myself. So if she continue want to learn all these songs, I'm going to go to hospital with her tomorrow and I'm going to get myself fixed. Which is in a Dinka, I will be a roach. Ale sele monja.
You scared?
Yes.
You guys, you scared of
This thing is...
Manja.
No. Yes. Be a roach tawal. It's going to happen. Yes. So, Jessica, if you have something to tell my people, you got to go ahead to say. But this thing is done. I know you tried to learn this song, but it's not happening.
Hey, look, it's not happening, you guys, because he cut me off. I know the whole song, but his song's probably like, I don't know it. But no, seriously. Donnie, you're a good guy. He's a good guy. You're always there for me, Dominic, from day one. I love you. I stand behind you 100%. So, keep doing what you're doing, whatever you're doing.
Thank you, Nyana Kawaja. Thank you, Nyana Kawaja. Nyana Panalwal, I call you Manyar. When me and Jessica, when we have our first daughter, how old are you?
I'm 20.
No.
Wait, you didn't tell me on Facebook? Shh, 20. I'm 21. No,
You're not 21.
I'm 27. Hang on, tell
And
my age
then
on Facebook.
I'm 29.
No, he's not 29. He's like 49. He's 49, you guys. Don't let him lie to you. No, he's like 30.
Oh my
34.
God, my God, just don't
He looks
come
good.
on now.
Like, see that gray hair? Right there.
Oh
I'm
no.
just kidding.
It's because I ran with the kid all the time, So that's why I got one gray hair. It was only one gray hair.
You guys, he makes
one.
No, okay, wait. You better stop. He makes me pluck out his gray hair. Shh. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Go with your show.
Okay. Are you done? Or you got some more to say?
Okay, now let's go on. Go on what you were saying about everything.
Okay. So,
See,
Manyar, she used to sweat out, you know. So when the baby wake up in the middle of night, she cry, you know. She don't know what to do, you know. Because American woman don't know how to sing to the baby to put the baby to bed. But I create a song for her, you know. I say, just, this is simple, you know. I'm going to work 5:45 in the morning, but let me sing a song to this baby and watch me. So I'll be like, Yare, yare wing wing, yare talk talk, yare wing wing, yare. That's my daughter. Yare wing wing, yare talk talk. And then the baby fell asleep. And she be like, oh, why you doing? Every time she cry, I will wake you up. And I say, no. Okay? If you want to be a Dinka woman, to be Nyanatrindit, huh? If you don't know what is called Nyanatrindit in a Dinka, is a super Dinka woman. You know? The baby can cry, she can tie her on her back, she can cook, do the laundry, clean the house without calling a man for help. I said, did you hear that? And very soon I will take you to Africa where you can hear a hyena, lion, you know, tiger, and everything. Okay? Yes. Rin I next time Kayichi Ben la with one jang that I will by no man ding ya ding ya and araninda Kubaba and Bekat I love you. The word I love you in a kanaka like jakakan.
You see, you're talking too much. And you know, look, you guys, all his babies, this last baby, Dominic, your son, which is going to be, what, 2 years old?
Mm-hmm.
Who is still sucking on the boob?
You.
No, not me. Your son is still sucking on the boob.
Because
how many American women still have a baby on the boob?
I give you credit on that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Because Jessica right now become like, you know, I never met a white person can eat this Sudanese food. Like, she love Quinny Diong.
No, not Quinny Dong.
Quinny
It's
Diong?
okra and okra's brother. Get it right.
No.
Look, we call it okra. And
No,
then what's the other one? And then we call it okra's brother. I got this nickname. You have to tell them their nickname.
Okay.
I gave them a nickname.
Okay.
Tell them their nickname.
The problem, the first time, okay? The first time Jessica eat okra, okay? When she eat okra, she asked me, like, what is this slippery shit?
I
You
was like,
know?
ooh, I love it so much. What is
And
it?
she was like, what is this slippery shit, Dominic? And I said, it's okra.
With the injera, I was like,
With injera, okay? She ate it. So the next time, you know, that was malokia. Malokia, I don't know how they call it in English, you know? Ekuzura. And she asked me, like, Dominic, what is this? So I don't know how to say it. So I said, that brother to okra, okay? So it was a good explanation to her, you know? Because they're all slippery shit, so they're like, you know, brother to okra. That's how I describe it to her, you know?
so now I'll go
And she loved it. Now,
I'll go over to Auntie Nading's house. I'll be like, Auntie Nading, please, cook me okra, brother. She's like, okra's brother? What are you talking about? I said, Donnie, tell her.
and now Jessica loves Queen Diong, so I tell her, okay, we need to start buying some cows, you know, in Africa. Because that's where this, kind of butter come out, because you got to have some cow make milk, and you have to bang those on your thigh, just to make a butter, and cook that butter and put in the food, and that is called quinedion. Okay? So I think this woman loved me so much, and that's the reason I always, you guys, all my community, my family, friend, all my gang, that's the reason I come in alive with my woman and show you guys and how funny she is, because she tried to be like me, but she cannot be like me because
Look, I'm better. I can't be like him. I'm better.
Let me say something.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Keep talking.
She hold my mouse, God.
I'm
Lord,
that's what I do.
In a chamot, this guy is a legend. He's a singer, and he's in Africa.
Oh,
He's our best singer.
Oh, God bless you.
For Jing. Monjang, Jargaret. Dwara to Hejukai, Jing, Jargaret. Dwara to Hejukai, Del Nemely. Monjang, Ajinomadil. Man, I love you, Lord Senangok. You're a legend for the Jing, and you have a right message for us. And I ding, ting dia bijal cho with Matin, Quabajalo Riopin, and Bijam can animally little bit, Abajalo Yada Akar show. Okay, Maria, do you still have more to say?
Actually, matter of fact, I do. You guys, how many cows do you think I'm worth? I've been with this man for a long... I'm covering your mouth again. We actually officially haven't got married, so I just want to know, for all my people out there.
That's the reason I don't want to.
You know that, look, when he posted this at first, he said, oh, I didn't know if this ship wasn't going to sink. Baby, it's sinking. I shot the fires right now. Ladies, how many cows am I worth? 10? 20?
100.
Oh,
what?
Baby.
Oh, come on. 3,000 cows? No.
See,
come on. Yes.
See?
50 cows.
See?
1,000 cows? That's my uncle. The one you were talking, 1,000 cows.
Look, where am I these people?
Did you give me?
No.
You didn't even give me a 20 kid. How they gonna go with the 3,000 while you didn't give me 20 kid?
Wait, hold on. How many ladies have 20 kids? I give this man 6
At least
kids.
you gotta go
Kawaja gave you 6 kids? How many Kawaja has 6 kids? Okay, you guys, tell me again. How many cows?
Kawaja accept Dinka, yes. Can have more
I
than
accept it, but
you gotta accept.
we're gonna let your people say it. So
my Lord! Look at even my legend going to 8,000. What is this?
Thank you. Thank you, Lloyd D. Thank you, Mama.
They try to kill me. Yeah.
Oh, Yaniya, everybody, Yaniya.
Oh, man, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
No, we're going to take that total. We're going to divide it by however many people we have. We're going to divide it. And then that's how much you're going to have to pay.
Good math.
So, we're going to let them know later.
Do you know how many people in the show? So if you're gonna divide that, even
whoever raised the comment,
how many people in my show right now? There are more than 1,000. So maybe
whoever raised whatever amount I'm worth, and then you're gonna have to pay it. Mama, you're gonna be a rich mama. You raise
oh
a
my
good
God,
daughter.
she still go with 3,000 cows.
Yeah, she's gonna be rich. She raised a good daughter, right? Mama deserves it.
Okay, we have to, what you guys American people do, we have to take that to, I have to go alone,
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Yeah, I got,
guys, no.
I got put my credit on this because.
Oh God. Oh no. You going in debt for me? You guys, this is live, but this ain't funny. Don't put a laugh face. Dominic. What's the problem?
I take it back. I take it back. Okay, guys. Okay, all my young people. I know you guys tried to kill me. I know, those are women. That would, women always think like, I don't know.
You blame it
How
on
did
women,
how did think you can pay 3,000 cow?
Why not?
To eat, and those. If you see the man, they were going 50, 150. Those are my boys. I love you guys, man. You see that the man right there, 15 cow.
Hey, no.
Damn,
Wait, let me say something. Every stretch mark you put on my body from your kids, you owe me at least 100 cows. Ladies, y'all have stretch marks on my sides, on my stomach. Do you know how many stretch marks I have?
You talking about stretch mark? How do you know? Do you know how many times I've been complaining about my back? Because when a man pop a baby, it's not that easy to make a baby, man.
God. Are you serious?
I burn so much calories, I don't. Yes.
Ladies,
yeah, let that go, man.
No. This is some bullshit.
No,
this live is going to the left.
No, so
you gotta wait. Stop.
I burn so much calories. Janice is right there watching
Janice, Janice, I'm not your average American girl. Yeah. Okay, I gave 3
and look. Do you want us to take this one?
I'm gonna cover his mouth again. I gave 3 of his children birth naturally without epidural because these people scare me. Every time they put the needle to my back, they're like, oh, there's a 1 out of 100% chance that you can become paralyzed. I can become paralyzed because of your children. So I said, do you know what? For the sake of myself and for the sake of my children, I'm gonna not take epidural. Your 2 daughters, I took it. My 3 boys, I did not take epidural. OMG. The doctor came in my room, Donnie, you know very damn well. This guy, you guys, let me tell you about my delivery. I don't know, is this a Sudanese man or every man? He's on his phone. Scrolling down. I'm like, you better be quiet because I'm pretending like I'm in labor right now and I'm having contractions. I'm going to get mad.
Captain Jessica.
Okay, yeah, Captain Jessica's in the house. Okay, so I'm scrolling down my phone. Or he's scrolling down his phone. I'm in labor. The contractions are coming closer. I'm like, Dominic, if you don't get off your phone and come over here right now. And he's like, Mom. He's talking to my mom. Mom, if you see your daughter's getting mad at me again. I'm like, what do you mean I'm getting mad at you again?
Guys. To be honest, I can give her a credit. I will give every woman credit.
Mm-hmm.
Every woman that have a best, I will give them a credit. But she cried so much, man. When Jessica, she was, and she was holding my hand so tight, like, I said, can you let me go, please? Let me go. It seemed like I'm the one who having a baby, like, come on,
Dominic.
It's okay, but.
Dominic, when we were
God created us. No. Okay, God created a man and created a woman. God created a woman and have, where the baby can go and, they can be okay, But if you guys can involve us in you guys, whatever the pressure you guys got, I cannot handle that, I get crashed, I get abused, hold my hand tight, smack me, Come on, man. You know, before when you want this baby, we were too excited together, you know. You're the one who was coming to me and, you know, come on now. And now it seems like I'm a victim, you know. You know, why I gotta be a victim, you know?
Yeah,
So
you're the
anyway,
victim.
just let me talk. So we're Jenda. Man, yeah, you done with this.
No, I'm not done.
Yes, we're
You
done.
got me started.
Go. You know, I need to finish some with this, you know. So I gotta let you go, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna listen. Do you know what?
No, say bye-bye to my
No,
people.
I'm not saying bye-bye. I'm gonna listen.
You wanna talk still? Go ahead, talk.
I'm gonna talk shit later.
Go ahead, say something.
No, I don't got nothing to say.
You don't have nothing to say?
No, I don't got nothing to say. You keep talking.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we're Mwanjang da. Ine man yara kakan. Aya chola ke Captain Jessica. Because you guys know we're diar. Ayera na when getting the ke rock. Kayinin the muskla.
I'm not Michigan.
Adur jong ayera chak ting one on live. Huh? I think kaki kwa chi mwende achi rock. What rane chol diamond ken walai. Ye ne ya le ne ran chol kwa ya le wat ran chol diamond mina dut e ne ran no angi sorry guys there ran cha yop ala no won chenga dut ken e major you know e major yan gwale yes kating achi ruok from apanan bu kwel kang wan bu ka cheng so we monjang tomorrow nyana ku duna bucket in a do jong air, please go ahead and support her. Yeah, and antira ane chola ke monjik. Kujana my boy, young low. Quite to be when we came back get thin and ambula live because we were monjang, but yalla we quite pep. Kukaman. And big jam about young low a little bit. When she young low band pe much again. Come on, what you came to do? Eh? Could be a ruin maraja. You may chok and be in Kakang chi jariel. Kubabo ku John Nagajit. Quite ajit ka melaban and bechuet. Kachok ajit and be yok. Ham talk a billion. Yet a billion. Who ko believe in workar ko jona pem ku ngore la bi la le ku le yen la panwan chan ke tin ken la kwet chan kwet karan ken ran pia da ken. You see that? That's what I have to talk about this guy chol ke young low. Is it a good guy ever? Because I didn't a comedian dun kaka akalwel I'm a stand-up comedian I check a winner lo aka when akalwe credit in my mind. Catting. So can you but way ran chol young low and to I was chuck bupan chol my chicken bubella lay kia so in a kang chan kang ajit in a channel tong today kaken so ran chicken era and one pia the pay. I wish buban that time to bring this guy back, you know, into Benya lejalo ku buban not near that, you know, in a considerable because I bar wrong time. Dan chol mon je chak tin kol wan chen ket pi Iowa bo ben la ket what lwe ka bela ket pi Kansas City kuran chol pagor ya ne na lwe le na yena la kriye bene na la lwe hose and everything pagor ya chol ku le deng la yini ne se go le ne se belongo go le wala we twin ma ya di da na betie go le ka wan chi yang lo chen lwe le chen nyiri twi chen ka pyon go ka lwe we ko leg state ka yini pagor le vaya be ben kai abai batoka cher kedanga pitbull like this ku be really jale akol bi jale nyano with tie gole la ka tong gai gole atong nyanda ne ting nom chi de bul masaba to be in babel be ka babel tiak akol bi ever mo leg state ben we ngalo nya ka ken I see a wound tongue and talk about Queen and then ya ding because in pagod, Jale Abato and I cheer Kudruk did I see Jatot, Pin, you know, no ja ache ka betok wat chi ran ya lat la de nya de ngamo e ngo kene yin wulen lat ran chol fa gor kwa che gor no and no aba go pola den Maria, how you doing?
I'm good. I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Supporting.
Tigate ya lom ya ja wat ko walai no and I chira nyu kuri jong no and deng nya deng no ramit pyo pin nom chi ya ante ken ali I'm a happy man. Huh?
Until you mess with me.
Ade ke yi balwela about Jane comedy 10 because we Mwanjang you guys know yani cheng we nin ke yan ana chi ya ade ka kienti ke chani makolo ayom di de lwala ko ni ne chamot ade ka ke chani makolo because ka yi manamuj ku chi pyo ber ya go ba no bela free ka don thing e mo jen yin ku yene ke wane yin tik ting because tik mo ja ta ba e ran ku pya da fe ka ting ga ye tik ye ja wi tok tan ku wi tok tan e tik ting chit belat ka chi tik lat e ting chit bel nok ka che nak ku tik ga chi ja lya aye kol to ka mo ja pyor ya go tik ja go mo ja le gen la kenani pol me ni cha nok ke wel ye jin go le mo ku le la ya ye because we be mo be mang yi ka ting arin jur jol dior ache ka ta nom ten a mang ke bu ka nok ka dia ko le ro ra ja ka ja nok a ben mo ben ka dan ka le wala ka na chi chere kan ka yen aken we mo ja adek diar kwane jeng comedy yenekin kechira loitin ko ja je ben pan America ku pan America e pan wone ka cham tin mi the won pet ade tin won ti tiak wala ti die ka den nyana won ti die ka den e ke den won ti ni ali ye ge be ye gobde kwa de ran der won gobde ben ni ting bun ke de ben ni loy kating arena gora go be paltin baya tak too much yin go nom go lo ba pyo ada ko yin ke wo mo wade ba ko mi da go yugo rir kayin wala tal chup yan ajarat kayi pintai kating you cannot baran won to era gwir ku ke tinge akak a kwa je won a lero le ke ting kaye mo je latin you know ku be ka de won le ge le bele yin in den kala ku yin in kala and everything ache ya kra je ya blazing you know Jessica she's right here every time you know I got sick kid with Jessica we lost one but we have a 5 I have 3 boys and 2 girls. And every time we go shopping or somewhere, I stay behind. If nobody know that I'm her man, people be looking at her, you know? But the only thing I have to tell that person, if he's watching, you know, I'll be like, hey, man, it's not good for your eye, okay? I'm here. So it's a blessing, you know? Kwa doror ko woni la pri der na le ran tiang du yin ni den ko ngoyin na ka yin du pyo coach and something e good ni tik bitik ke chir ken ping bi mo det belagen or anet pe la yin ni den don ta ma cho ga ku ban pi wen dom wala ba wal yo ko ka chap ka che wet way you know kwa che wat koren she wanna hear that you know yan e ko wi diar bi ga ping chi digan we Mwanjang da we ga ya le ka kol ma yom but we which brand can ke de bijala lom can you ba wel kan ki tin diar kwan wan ti la jeng pe ji ja chin yin ku ro pe ke tin ke ga diar won de ror ken Kujona ke sometime the chike jam a video kuyin in a jadol ku in a funny and everything. Come when there are land free somewhere they put them piat want to charm while they can champagne there went to loam could be got a kaka and 1 year. Tige ya be difference in which are low here. But all you have to do is take it easy, kulagi and no much. Kuyana and no meat. If it's something that continue, kaloirat, kalwe block, and if you evaluate. Lakin habak ba jam ba wani ma jam, ka wade jam. Achievement there a jakadang, tichina gan, kayem yo kadang, just guy, no. I thought I was gonna answer, Yes, but I can't eat banana in English. When yatin ruajat whatever be Arabi, kakti when kaka jam white, because yat kadang is long I take that come cutting. So in a chide, so abija ban be jam kuken ka werbera be jam ala baden kabura be loke karai cutting. So we ada ke we got bless take that chaka take care group dun in a year batatin. Or to the alley to watch Chaka way quite cock when Kuyen wetkin a bija follow ya one real boy. Cargating? Yan and Yakali go overboard always because quite a tongue young then a legit to be honest. Catting. To think in and getting to the funny, but connected in a yard de hagen. Any reason anchor gap. We one young that we bajab mad choke. Eken a nyir we nyir chalka we ben comedian deng a balin ma biormo because esa lung fair kuyan and mali jala yen so the chi mali la ini jajam ka wen ko miet pyot kating ka wen pyot rin daman yira ja chon nyali ago nyali ja pingrol there akene ram pyot. I'm trying to claim myself a Arampiat cutting because so we got the community when we bajabel like we near could be where of coin cutting. I didn't we Nita Baba one young one as a mad pair when Nita Panagal taken a kid band bass a mat cutting. I don't can you kid one, tell Kakuma one, I was that. I go let Nirti Kakuma, Kayakatoma, Alawa, and a right by. No. Yana ding an up and an yanakating, Yanaka cha betting at your bed to a comedian. It were tea, I do young, I had Jabba Beneca Piatot, and a chicken cabell ran over. But Yana Chirana Kujan came with one and up and none. Are you one and Nyantin is Sudan, Binya, Sudan, Kaya York, and what ye America, Kadiej, and my Chega, Kunyang, Panun way. In Denga Malwal, I ran kid in Wakan yapping, Kawai Chol Malwal. In Denga Malwal, because then Yana won't we beat young Yana Trindit. In Denga Malwal, in Denga Bali, Kadiej, America, Kunyang, Panun way. Kaya na did a pit kajale and beladuk yana pana yan belaben yan si jabe to la kawaja yana trindi de ne jabe young man ya o ga jor penero kon wa wel man si chatam ja kwal o ga jajat penero rong o man ya re chin te ben lo wo ai chin te det ben an latin a ji to ko ka tin kayen en benom bad ana ding ade kaka ke yana be pidale ya badnom kating eka wona nyire ja wi bakol kene nyir alwela kege nyir awi biga ko arin nya eko kating bakudu bangi ko wala karam bechet mo Baralo ba yal wega yen karili yino. Ti yalin wega yen ka yini la yogo lusi. Huh? Well, in a loser man, kwa Arabi chola ke Lucy, whatever. What Arabi man? Arabi adalan pa ambuto man. Arabi aban no. E Lucy be Arabi adil kere. Arine tazalam wala ache char. Yes, achiram tina chang yang gwel adil. E tazalam en yela luyin kwa che char en kabral aloy because achera de kumba kwantin. Kudu kom karam bichera chola da. So ke chiri ke nena wi baton we ke chi deng nya deng luel ku we monjang die today ba video can loy chere che wet how many video ke che ka loy chere dia and I'm always on live che just because but at the kun kaga ka luel aka wona aka loy credit you know it's not a kichira anerka luel or something e ke wona loy credit that you know, I'm a stand-up comedian. I have to talk to my young people. Bakek adol. Aderan bedol. Kwaderan there won't be de bela lumtin. Cooking ek be kwan in a lie. 3 minutes and deng nya deng ke away. Are you guys doing? We monjang deng nya deng. Monjang ta twen ko monjang ta chen. Salam. And gi kuble kumeta kumkulu. Be misba another mabasum Arabi be kulu ajal al mahota al matararin al makhorum dengnya deng hard tonight. Yes.
You're a clown, baby.
Oh Lord.
You're my clown.
Rante tigelo and dengnya deng chalwel kena je nyire monjang yen a chi lwel deng ine pituma yit ku lwet a chuga denum sometime ene tinaga era tinaga but you guys know what kena chola ke tik a chit panan because of panan a panan a chin mananya kwene tinetik bichak bana nya na kur kwa che bi chwe dana deng nya deng kwa chan diar eh Bagam woka kareke wa lwel bor. Huh? And I'm good to go. Kawaya dear and chayek my beautiful kid. Da kadiak. Kunyir karo. Akola and jato jan dengnya deng ya tar and a mid pure pay. Kujalu kachin gachichulo wa watch getting. Because in China why in a dear then. Did catching no catching so chuluwa and aja gale but we catching the chuluwa what we young I love you guys all mama well in ya thing in nyanya story well in a chak running rian ku akerin chan nyanya chak ala choma gwer kok yeah anyir ken karo ram be god wallahi an choko ko basement duit an deng nya deng wallahi tal chu ache ke ba kai bonni no kir ma yaro kol ben jalo mata be ka ga be ti ku lele ngaji tinya ne deng nya deng ran che la nya America we monjang da I think we chidol too much, kuyana and chidol too, kucho wa chala. Kiyi bajabe madwe tanikin. I could join our way quite a video, low chair and everything. The good thing, our brother, Lord and Angok, Ato and Cho, maybe Morita Tin wala chijan. Yes, he's still here. Cutting. Kiyi balwel tanikin. Along a nimali. We monjang kan we ga ko ya wanta. Ko ya wanta ra ko ja win era na win a cho ka dang ting kaye ga no. Bukidang beja loy achit nyin ja dor ka ije tarbe pak pin ku jolwe ku dua joloy. Bor min di da ka nim gae ken murley. Daman en joke ka nyila lieben. Akit ban a right time because ya ne ba jala ke pan won chipyu. Ku ka ya ka dot ko. Amin choke ka lo e ja ka lo ke real den. But aye kwen ke ka la ki chik lo la ka wo. Ko ku lo na de ken e ke chita for a long time. Kwa ye ke ting chit bi ran lew kwa che ran lew. Ana de nya de nga ngori aka yo over 100% because ya alwe ran man nyai man die de yan. Ran ben ba nok ku yini ka jor wujum. Ku chok ngai yena ku chok ya de ka ma ngwe me anan chinon kon lo yin. Never. Kiyi balwe la long nimlikin. Jane Council Atawan. Kuyene Junub Sudan and I and Louis complain that got the Jane Council in a right southern Sudan. But ka wo buga jam ka wo comedian. We have to bring this up. It's quite call it because up because we are the boys. Our Jane Council. No need between the people, 14 people, because I know a day. For a month. For a month. How long? Or how many people they can die? Kir mayar ku tebe because of where monjang be ya no ebe corner. Ka kira le bijalo tono. Yes. I check here. Kake walene kir mayar. Ali bijam. Be human right be ping. Because the chintine law era law itin. A ping kenenum. But there to there win. Elwe la kwaya be akang because I knock the leg. I should be using that I should shot down. Walk on northern Barkada right now. Walk I should wear. Walk I should wear Karsum. So by a Dukarabi. By Dukarabi, where Monja. Quite northern Barkazal, I should wear Karsum because it's in the debt. A woman, your access sentiment one. A little bit, I in a little bit jot. Mini Juba, beyond wow, Kuleo always serve to do. But the chicken at you. Nimbly Road can in southern Sudan and a Louis have. And I don't know. The reason, one, in Guga Kirmayar, Bugug, Bumalung Awan, Bebe, because quite when it's they have to sit down, Kului, you know, Bukadang Bului study. They only below Iran, Kichikam believe. And that's what they did. Because Malung Abakan Abalu clear up. And this is not happening right now. And a jam because my family, Nyirikai, Kuwamat, Abijal, Bulakarsum. And that's the reason I talk. I can't afford to serve them. I have a family over here. And they have their own family. Kwachili balwela rare kitutu bingo big cham. So ka wo monjang, ka wo de koi when we have to speak up. Bujam ka wo monjang. And I'm asking all the young comedian, Kuo Mwanjang, Kubujam, in our community here in the US, Kubujam. Business Nimali Road, Adilaka Jet, Libya Jatin, Big Aratin, Bichira and Winnabantotin. Blue deploy jet, Matsaba 45 minutes away. Kukir Mayar, Adil jet, Adil Tuaj, Epanchol Nimalikin. Blue is surrounded, Kuchiga Kwajatin, Budang Baby Kitchen, Ran Yigidang, Kutichina Louis rejected, Kuwakwanya Yedit. Because this is not a centenarian law. Here in America, if I go, but that recruit here in a city, Kabolis above the city can be golfing. The city can be golfing. Kulela Kachira Louis move. Tile in a Louis move where you are wicho. Kayin in a gotal, you go, you go a champ. And when we choking you because you are a victim. So if there is a failure within the government, quite when Louis set up or something like to be government, when Louis fails in Kawoka was citizen, we cannot accept this. They have to find their own way. BK Louis fail. But actually, our family member because I knock every day. Kujakuya dia, oh rip, rest in peace. Rest in peace on my ass. Got nothing. I think can rest in peace in the tent. Ran a Louis rest in peace. They ran went to a job. They ran will be accident but not. But innocent person when later than Louis attack socket, I think rest in peace. And I'm tired of you guys writing all this shit. I don't care. Grit. Bichak ban kwen yanum pig on my toes. K grit to all manakai. I will never take it. I will never take it. I don't want Jen to pure joke. Quite a pure joke. I will go to the Yini below a year and we became a meeting at Kagamran. There was one guy. I was sick of him, man. Ran to a young Dinko, I see you on live PSBS Dinka. Ran a chola leratin. One joy jaga gig to Kujolwell, Kulele, a lay in low catching where the chica wa muchi and no. I'm in your can how you feel. Tichena be Bertin. Yan e moku bangok, any anana ding, bangok, yato. Yan a chibe bear, Kulele yen, if Tichena kir my yard. Kawama kachili buto. Kagran kachiran there will live, Bumwanjang that Buman. Son of bitch. I know he's older than me, he's my uncle, but that son of bitch. That's what I was thinking today. Because there is no way ever. But my family member, Kir Mayar, president of Southern Sudan, but my brother, Bumwanyam tomorrow, I will never be happy with him. Kache door wala nweder wala kadan lui claim bala lui claim. Why you didn't say that when the war broke out the kajwero loy. I told him to the Beneluelti, to nen tiet. I did the chimon jang jaban belu tiet, a chick jalo that or banyan, And I can't believe it, man. I'm mad because there was 14 people die yesterday. Huh? Tinera level and there's, And that is not funny. It's not funny. They know where Kirmayar at. They know where the fucking army at, you know? Okay, innocent people. Miss Kudiar. Can you attack? Why? Could they want Jangara Lui claim that la yen create ben like a Lui support? I make sure and I will say it today that my video by Aloy in your ass. Yes. Because that is funny. It's funny. Ran Chidang Muk. Ke Morton Kachadi Chin. I chin there Balala Kotai Kunak. Bumit Kutik. I chin there Monjang. Ken Monjang care one by Panamonjang. Emit Kutik Kujung. Kegaka Monjang care. I chin there. We Monjang we got near Kegabin. Nearly take a week, and we have to stand up. We have to talk. We have to protect ourselves. In no bullshit no more. Ayera could be nearly Ben. Please let us know. Otherwise, I have to protect myself. And that's what America people do. America, they play, Western world, they pray all the time. Aruk, chanting one, kitching loy, Arab world, chanting kitching loy. Yes. Ben kir mayar achu wok bayano angi ke duor wala ke nuar or en monjang der winjara lo ke nyigat angi te kirten arina aye polar an winch god ke yin kulor bala pe baranet bala lwela kalono. For example, I have to say this. From all this time, murle en bor en alwe bully. Wan le bor, wan le torke murle, a kid jal bika chibo. Bigla no. Murle ko can wan chingo ke a chika la lop. So ran when I do no any yellow. Thank you, Mwanjang. I think this is a long video. And I plan it anyway. We will get a banting. And I love you guys all. Good night.